on the floor with baby greenery. We named him Groot as an operating name.
No. Little rabbit.
Oh my gosh. Pretty incredible.
You want to try? Wow, wow. Whoa.
Can you walk? Show us that you can walk. Okay.
That's my good ear.
And he's got a cowlick too, to boot. Hi, babe. Oh, I'm right here. Oh, hi there. Yeah, hello, 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 hello.
Hello, Gertie.
Hello. Oh, oh, after you, after you. You are the flock leader, you know.
That's when he opened his eyes, I was the one who was there.
Yes, that's right. 8 weeks old and cute as a button.